Mastering the Past Continuous Tense, the Art of Subject-Verb Agreement. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into an essential aspect of English grammar, the past continuous tense. Specifically, we're focusing on a crucial element, subject-verb agreement. Let's unlock the secrets of forming correct and effective sentences in the past continuous tense. To begin, it's crucial to understand what the past continuous tense is. It's a tense used to describe an action that was happening at a particular moment in the past. We form it using was, were plus verb ing. For example, she was playing the piano. The critical point here is the usage of was and were. That's where subject-verb agreement comes into play. Subject-verb agreement means that the subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number. In simpler terms, if the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb should be plural. For the past continuous tense, the singular subjects, like he, she, it, or any singular noun, take was, while the plural subjects, like they, we, you, or any plural noun, take were. For example, she was reading a book. They were reading books. There are a few exceptions where you, I, and singular proper nouns are involved. These always take were and was, respectively. You were eating an apple. I was eating an apple. Alex was eating an apple. Remember, while you can refer to one person or multiple people, in terms of verb agreement, it always takes the plural form, were. The best way to get a grip on subject-verb agreement in the past continuous tense is through consistent practice. Try forming sentences on your own, and don't forget to pay attention to the subject of your sentence, whether it's singular or plural. And that's a wrap on our lesson about the past continuous tense and subject-verb agreement. Remember, the key to mastery is understanding the rules and then practicing them consistently. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time at all. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering English grammar. Until next time, happy learning!